Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be introducing the main configuration settings of this advanced automated trading system. Dream Vision EA is designed to be flexible and easy to customize. You can adjust the settings according to your broker, market conditions, and trading preferences. Each parameter plays an important role in optimizing performance and managing risk. Let's go through each section step by step. Trade setting. First, we have the trade settings section. This section controls the main indicators that help the EA analyze the market before opening trades. RSI settings. The RSI settings help the EA measure market momentum. The RSI period defines how many candles are used for the calculation, while the overbought and oversold levels indicate when the market may be too high or too low, suggesting a possible correction or bounce. The RSI timeframe selects which timeframe is used for this analysis. EMA period. The exponential moving average helps identify the general direction of the market trend. It acts as a dynamic guide to understand market movement. ATR settings. Next, we move to the ATR settings. ATR stands for Average True Range. It measures the volatility of the market. ATR period. This determines how many candles are used to calculate market volatility. ATR timeframe. This setting allows you to choose the timeframe used for volatility analysis. ATR multiplier. The multiplier helps the EA adapt to different market conditions by adjusting spacing based on volatility. Minimum grid pips. This defines the minimum distance in pips between trades. It helps maintain proper spacing and prevents trades from being placed too close to each other. Lot management. Now let's talk about lot management. This section controls how position sizes are managed. Start lot. This defines the lot size used for the first trade. Lot multiplier. If multiple trades are opened, this setting determines how the lot size will increase for the next trades. Maximum orders. This limits the maximum number of trades that can be open at the same time. This helps control exposure and risk. Basket profit. Next, we have the basket profit system. This feature allows multiple trades to be managed as a group. Buy basket profit. When the combined profit of all buy trades reaches this target, the EA will close them automatically. Sell basket profit. The same rule applies to sell trades. Once the total profit reaches the set value, all sell positions can be closed together. Trailing stop. The trailing stop feature helps secure profits as the market moves in your favor. Trailing start pips sets when it begins, trailing step pips controls how often it updates, and trailing stop distance keeps a gap from the current price to protect profits while allowing the trade to continue. Trade filter. Now we move to the trade filter section. These filters help control how the EA interacts with the market. Allow trade. You can choose whether the EA trades both directions, only buy trades, or only sell trades. EMA filter. When enabled, this filter helps align trades with the market trend. EMA period. This defines the period used for the trend analysis. EMA timeframe. This allows you to select the timeframe used for the EMA trend filter. Other settings. Finally, we have the Other Settings section. These options help with risk control and monitoring performance. Use Daily Target. This option allows you to set a daily profit target. Daily Target USD. When the account reaches this amount of profit in a single day, the EA can stop trading automatically. Max Drawdown USD. This parameter helps protect the account by defining the maximum allowed drawdown. Show Today Profit. This option displays the current profit generated during the current day. Show Floating Profit. This displays the current floating profit from open trades. Magic Number. This is a unique identifier used by the EA to manage its own trades. Trade Comment. This allows the EA to label its trades with a custom comment for easy identification. These are the main settings of the EA. By adjusting these parameters, you can customize the system to match your trading style and market conditions. Now let's move to the live market and watch the EA in action.